Lifeguards at Dog Beach. Boat in the surf line. It's running aground. Lifeguards en route. They have notified Homeland Security and Border Patrol as well. Unknown if it's a fisherman or someone trying to enter illegally. Requesting PD due to being dark. Provide extra security for responders.
Diego, can we help with that call?
It was non-urgent with Lifeguards at Dog Beach. There's a boat in the surf line running aground. They're en route as well as Homeland Security and Border Patrol.
Okay, we'll be en route.
625 Sam, maybe it's Homeland Security related, we won't be responding.
625 Sam, 10-4. Let me put a call back in for Lifeguards, see if they are en route.
Able, they are en route. They're just also getting a rolling code.
Able, sorry, you said that Homeland Security's rolling code?
No, Lifeguards and fire.
We're calling over to Lifeguards now.
Able, we're 97. Looks like a couple things going on. Looks like a truck drove down the rocks there and it's stuck, and also there is a boat stuck in the surf.
So our truck drove down into the rocks and a boat is stuck on the ground. And again, we're calling over to Lifeguards and Homeland Security to see if they're responding. Per Lifeguards, this will not be immigrant related.
Okay, but if you can relay to them, we don't see anybody standing on the outside of the boat or anybody in the water, but I cannot see inside the cabin.
612 Yellow 97 with a couple more units here.
Don't worry, Dog Beach.
Johnny got a plate.
Go ahead.
California 16130 William 2.
Don't worry. And no record coming back on that plate. 16130 William 2.
Affirm.
Don't worry. And again, no record coming back.
659, we're core 4 here. No further assistance needed.
Code 4 on Dog Beach.
Working media is 97.
Don't worry, media is 97.
Get a private tow started for the plate on our call. And the vehicle is stuck out in the sand. It'll have to be pulled out. Whatever special equipment they need for that.
And media is 97.
Media 97, 6